This presentation is on interjections, which is our 8th and final part of speech, and nouns of direct address, which will be the 5th noun job that we have learned. Let's go over the 8 parts of speech. First, we have nouns. Nouns are people, places, things, or ideas. Pronouns can take the place of nouns, so pronouns can do any job that nouns can do. Verbs tell us what the subject is or does. Verbs are action words. Adjectives modify nouns and pronouns. So adjectives describe people, places, things, or ideas. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Adverbs are most known for describing action words, verbs, but they can also describe adjectives and other adverbs. Prepositions show the relationship between a noun or pronoun, because pronouns can do anything nouns can do, and another part in the sentence. Prepositions are always found in prepositional phrases, and those phrases will include the preposition as well as a noun, and that noun is called the object of a preposition. Conjunctions connect two or more words, phrases, or clauses. The important thing to remember about conjunctions is they connect. They are connecting words. And that brings us to our 8th and final part of speech, which is interjections, and that's what we're going to learn about in this presentation. Keep in mind that anytime you see a sentence, every single word in that sentence is one of these 8 parts of speech. Okay? Interjections are words that show emotion and have no grammatical relationship to the rest of the sentence. Here are some examples. Yippee, wow, hey, yes, yuck, cool. Here's an example in a sentence. Awesome, my team won the game. Awesome is an interjection in this sentence. Interjections usually, not always, but usually come at the beginning of a sentence, and they're punctuated with either a comma or an exclamation mark. Nouns of direct address. Nouns of a direct address are nouns that name the person or people being spoken to. Direct address means you're directly addressing these people, okay? Here are some examples. Mark, come here. John, can you drive? Jennifer, your cat is asleep. The nouns Mark, John, and Jennifer in these sentences are nouns of direct address because these people are being directly spoken to. So this is a new noun job. These are the 4 noun jobs we knew already: subject, direct object, object of preposition, and indirect object. Now we're going to add to that noun of direct address. So now we have 5 noun jobs that we know about. Nouns of direct address are also not grammatically related to the rest of the sentence, and that's why we're learning this noun job at the same time as interjections. Because interjections and nouns of direct address are both not grammatically related to the rest of the sentence. So what does that mean? That means they don't modify anything. They don't play a role in the sentence that affects any other part in the sentence. Basically, it means you can take out the interjection or the noun of direct address, and the sentence would have the exact same meaning. That taking out the interjection or the noun of direct address would not change the sentence at all as far as what the sentence means or what the sentence says. So, lastly, how do we diagram? To show that they are not grammatically related to the rest of the sentence, we diagram interjections and nouns of direct address on a line that floats above the sentence. So let me show you what that looks like in a diagram. So for interjections, it would look like this. You put the interjection on a line above the actual sentence diagram. So the subject and verb it would look something like that. The sentence and then with the interjection above it. So here's an example. Holy cow, she runs fast. Okay? Holy cow would be the interjection. So we'd put holy cow is going to go on a line above the actual sentence. She runs fast. Okay, so that is how you would diagram this interjection that goes with this sentence. Holy cow, she runs fast. And you would do it this way even if it were punctuated with a comma. Okay, So this just shows you that holy cow is not grammatically related to the rest of the sentence, and it's not affecting any other part of the sentence. So nouns of direct address, here's an example. Mom, we won the game. Again, we would put mom, which is the noun of direct address, on a floating line above the sentence diagram. We won the game, okay? And this is how you diagram interjections, our final part of speech, and nouns of direct address, our fifth noun job.